Hello students, welcome to our online classes. Here is Deshmukh sir with the new topic for you today, and today's our topic is excuses a skit. In our previous video, we learned how Ritesh makes stories for his being late. So let's get started. Ritesh said, "Yes ma'am, but the most amazing thing happened there. That man near the pavement, he too got up and began to run with the thief. Without losing a moment, I ran after them. Without losing a moment, I ran after them. The man lying near the pavement got up and he also started running with the thief." Here, in our previous video, we learned Ritesh make a story about his being late. He said, I heard a scream, and the scream heard in the market, and there was a person who was lying near the pavement, groaning with the pain. Ritesh said, "Ma'am, the situation was quite handful for me, but after some time, the most amazing thing happened. The groaning man near the pavement got up and joined the thief, because a person ran out of the shop and he held a packet in his hand. The groaning person also ran out with the thief, and both of them ran away. Then Mrs. Sen said, and then you caught them and took them to the police station." Mrs. Sen said that this is very complicated situation. This is very complicated situation, and for a while you had caught them. After some time you had caught them and taken them to the police station. Ritesh said, "We couldn't do that. We couldn't do that, ma'am. They just vanished around the corner." The man who was groaning with the pain and the thief, both of person vanished around the corner. All this happened so fast. Ritesh ran after them, but they just vanished around the corner. This was the first reason. This was the first reason, according to Ritesh, why he was delayed to school. Here, in this story, Ritesh told two characters. Second is the thief. Okay. Mrs. Sen said, "Then why are you late?" Mrs. Sen said, "If the thieves vanish, if the thieves, these are thieves, vanish and you hadn't caught them, why you are late? What is the reason why you are late?" Then Ritesh said, "That's not at all." Here story did not end. I realized that I had left my bag. I realized that I had left my school bag at the shop in the mad rush. So I ran back to get it. I ran back to get my bag. Ritesh said that here not completed. Ritesh said here not completed the story. Ritesh had realized he had left his bag at the shop in the mad rush. Ritesh went back to the shop to get back his bag. Then Mrs. Sen said, and it wasn't there? Mrs. Sen asked, it wasn't there? Mrs. Sen told, then when you had gone back to the shop, you hadn't found it there in the shop. Here, new story begins by Ritesh. Story based on bag. Ritesh said, no ma'am, it was there alright. It was there alright. But there was a huge, hairy and brown dog sitting on it. Brown dog sitting on it. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. Ritesh said that, no ma'am, it had there, my bag was there, alright, but there had a huge, hairy and brown dog had been sitting on it, sitting on my bag. He hadn't know what to do because a huge dog was sitting on Ritesh's school bag. Then Mrs. Sen said, interesting. Mrs. Sen said, interesting, a dog on a bag in a shop. What amazing story. A dog on a bag in a shop. The teacher did not believe Ritesh's stories. Mrs. Sen did not believe Ritesh's story. Every time after his false excuse, she remarks something mockingly and ironically to suggest Ritesh that his excuses were false and he had made up the stories. So, she said that your story is interesting, a dog is sitting on bag in a shop and anybody can't recognize it. Anybody can't recognize it.